Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Utico Engineering Services, the house plan market. If you are joining me for the first time, you are welcome. You are welcome to this channel, okay? Yeah, this is one of our construction sites here in Port Harcourt, Rivers State. What we do is all about analyzing our construction projects, step-by-step process as we walk along the project. So this is a 4-bedroom duplex apartment and is designed for one of our clients. So we started this project 5 months ago, and right now we are at the finishing stages. The last time I discussed with you guys, I was talking about the roof structure, the importance of flat roof, roofless, and the normal kind of roof that you know about, the gabe roof or the German roof. So this particular project is designed as roofless, so you will not be able to see the roof of this apartment, whether you are watching it from the back or from the front or from any of the sides. So the roof is just inbuilt, and if you are doing something like this, there are many ways you can go about it, but for us, what we did was long span. We used aluminium to achieve it, or concrete can be used to achieve it also, okay? But there are challenges that you are going to be facing if you are undergoing this kind of project, especially if you want it to be roofless. I think I discussed about it in my previous video. So if you want to know more about the different kind of roof and how you can go about it, you can check the link below. You are going to see it there. But for today, what I want to address, or what I want to talk about, is the rendering, the plastering work. For this kind of structure, which is contemporary, it is always good for you to apply gauge plastering when you are considering the exterior walls, okay? For the interior walls, you can use range plastering, that because of the font or the material cost on it. You can go for range plastering, but if you are buoyant enough, you can equally go for gauge, okay? But for the exterior walls, it's always ideal for you to use gauge. And if you are using gauge, there are many things that you need to consider, okay? Like the first thing that you need to consider, you have to ensure that the walls are accurately plumbed and properly gauged, so that at the end of the day, you are going to be getting a straight finish rendering job. Now if you look at it very well, I'm going to be going inside anyway any moment from now. If you look at it very well, every of the wall are at right angle triangle, okay? They are at 90 degrees to the floor. But if you did not use gauge on the walls, you might end up in having some wall areas that are not straight, and that is going to be affecting every other thing you are doing on your structure, okay? So I'm going to be walking you down to the site so that you see what is going on and how far we have gone. And after that, I'm going to go straight to the rooftop so that you see how far we've gone. Now before I get to that place, if you watch closely, you see the belt, okay? The belt, sometimes, look at now, this is the belt area, okay? We have it around this apartment as you are seeing it, and if you watch it closely, it's very straight, okay? In some cases, you might use the molding type for your belt. For our construction purpose, or for us at Utico Engineering Services, we don't apply the mold belt, okay, because of long-term durability. Okay, the mold sometimes does not stand the test of time. It's beautiful at first, but at the end of the day, when water, sun and everything, you start seeing that it's going to depreciate. And because of that, over the years or over time, there is possibility of the mold separating from the walls if it is not done properly. So to avoid unforeseen circumstances, we don't always go for that option, okay? But if you are doing your own project and you feel that's what is economical for you, it's good. You can look for people that can do it for you, and you go doing it for you. That's simple a little and it's easier to fix. But for this particular type, it needs professionals. If you are not using professionals, you will not be able to get it as accurate as you are seeing it from this video. Okay, let me go in and show you the rest of the project. All right, so I'm inside the apartment. This other area, what we are going to be fixing there is going to be the wall stones. Okay, the workers are seriously applying the gauge wall, and they are trying to gauge it. Once they are finished doing it, then from next week we'll start applying the wall stone. Okay, but this is the front. This how far we've gone. Wow. Okay, so that this is going to be the front. You've seen it, and you see how far we've gone about it. Okay, this is the front. So I'm going to the other side so that you see how the right side is. Okay, this is the right side of this apartment. The areas you are seeing now, we are still going to apply the wall stones on it. Okay, you can see it clearly. All right, and that's the back area. So right now I'm going to be going straight to the rooftop so that you see how the rooftop looks like. So by the time we finish the wall stones installation, I'm still going to repeat this video so that you see how it is. Stay tuned and just follow me as I go close to the apartment. All right, so like I said before, this kind of structure is not that difficult to construct, but it needs attention and it needs professional. Okay, everything that you need to do on it you need to be systematically okay with what you are doing. The moment you make any mistake, you are going to be finding it difficult to fix. Okay, and if you are working on the roof and there's error, now this is the apartment here. Look at it closely. This is what we are trying to do, as you can see. So this is what we are working on. Okay, so I'm going straight. So this is it here now. So I'll be going straight to the rooftop. All right, I'm at the rooftop now. Watch closely. Now this is the rooftop. So this is our roof. All right. So the complaints people used to have is leakage when you are doing a roofless structure or a flat roof. But I strongly believe that it depends on the installer and the engineer that is handling the project. If you engage engineers that are good, I don't think you are going to be having issues with flat roof, because it's one of the easiest construction process but it has rules that you need to obey. Okay, once you can prepare those informations rightly, you know you're not going to have problem with your flat roof designs. Now this is the gutter that this provision for gutter. Okay, look at it clearly. Wow, I'm not seeing it. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so we have a gutter here, and this gutter span to the end. Okay, so every water that is coming from this direction, okay, we eventually get to this place, and from this place, okay, from this direction now to the ground. What you have here is exactly what you still have up there, just the same system. Okay, so at the end of the day, if it's done properly, you're not going to be having issues. We'll finish this particular roof for about 2 to 3 weeks now, and up to now we've not experienced any leakage, and I'm very sure that there's not going to be leakage on it. The first thing that you need to consider when you are applying a roofless structure is your roof, okay, should not be joined together, okay, and you should try as much as possible to double lap it. So if you can keep to these two conditions, okay, you are going to have good results when you finish it. Okay, the last thing that you need to consider is the connection to the walls. Okay, your roof needs to get to the wall at least minimum 2 inches inside the wall. If it's not connected to the wall by 2 inches, you are likely to have issues too. But if you can fix it into the wall, okay, up to at least 2 inches, okay, before you cover the wall and start doing plastering the side of the wall. Then when you are doing your plastering too by the side of the wall, you still need to use water seals, okay, so as to ensure that water does not seep through those areas of the wall. In fact, if you watch this, all the walls you are seeing here, from the ground to the up, is mixed with water seal, okay, completely. So there's no way water will be able to slip or get into the wall, and every other water that is on this, okay, is going to get to the roof and then find its way to the gutter and go straight to the ground. So far so good. I think this way I will not be able to go up. Let me go. I will not be able to go up to the next roof, but I think this explanation is ideal for both. So if you have questions that you would like to drop, or you want to comment about your house construction project, or you need information that will help you in your construction activities, please feel free to drop your comments below. We are going to respond to you as quick as possible. And if you are joining us for the first time and you are yet to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Try and subscribe and share it to other people that might be of interest to construction work activities. Thank you for staying up to this time. Bye for now.